my name is Sherry Ronning, and I'm going to show you a cheesy chicken fettuccine recipe that's a recipe of my family's. It's been passed down from generation to generation. So I'm going to start. I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm using. I have already cooked up some chicken in butter and put a little seasoning, salt and pepper seasoning. And this is about 1.5 pounds of chicken. I have whole milk. I have 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. I have grated Parmesan cheese. I have flour. And then I'm also going to add some steamed broccoli. I've melted some butter in my pan. And I'm going to start. I'm going to heat up the butter that I've got melted in my pan. And then I'm going to add the flour. To my butter. And I've got it on medium to high heat. Okay, we're almost ready here. And just a few things about me. I am a cake decorator, a cake artist. I do cakes for weddings, for birthday parties, sheet cakes, and such. If you go to my website or my Facebook page, Sherry Ronning, you'll be able to see some of my pictures of some of the work that I do. Okay, here I've got the butter melted, and I'm going to add my flour. This is about 1 cup of flour. I might not add all of it though. I may add, I'm just going to stir it all in here. I'm probably just going to add about half with my butter here. And I had about 1/2 cup of butter that I started with. Okay. Then I'm going to add my whole milk in on here, and I'm just going to stir. I'm going to switch over to the whip and just whip it up here. I'm going to let the milk warm up a little bit with the flour and the butter mixture, and it'll kind of get a little bit creamy. And it will be lumpy. You have to just kind of work with it and work it and get those lumps out. Okay. And then when I get that starting to thicken up just a little bit, I'm going to add a little bit more of my milk. Like that. And so I'm just going to let it thicken up just a little bit.